Hello! Let's learn some colors. Black color, purple color, brown color, pink color, red color, orange color, green color, yellow color, violet color, light green color, sky blue color, dark blue color. Let's try to draw some alphabets. Dark blue color. A for apple. Violet color. B for blueberry. Light green color. C for cherry. Dark green color. D for dog. Orange color. E for elephant. Yellow color. F for fish. Red color. G for grape. Sky blue color. H for horse. Brown color. I for ice cream. Pink color. J for jam. Purple color. K for king. Black color. L for lollipop. Blue color. M for moon. Green color. N for nuts. Orange color. O for orange. Violet color. P for parrot. Purple color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rainbow. Red color. S for star. Violet color. T for tiger. Dark green color. U for umbrella. Black color. V for violin. Dark green color. W for wax. Purple color. X for X-ray. Red color. Y for yak. Black color. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.